Hey ladies, Samantha here. I got so many requests to do a smoky eye tutorial using the Ultimate Smoky Eye Trio. So here it is. Okay, so the first thing you need is 2 brushes. I like to use one that's a little bit wider to blend, and then I like to use one that has a very thin tip to be able to really edge out that dark smokiness. And you obviously need your Ultimate Smoky Trio, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my wider brush and I'm gonna go into this light gray color. I'm gonna get some on my brush, blow off the excess, and then I am going to work around the crease area here. And just in windshield wiper motions, barely touching back and forth, I'm going to start creating that gray effect. Go into the other side. You can do light circular motions, barely touching, or you can do back and forth windshield wiper motions. And all I'm doing is sticking around that crease area and above. You don't want to go all the way up to your brow bone. You want to leave that nice and highlighted. While you're still working with that light gray smoky color, you want to take your thin brush with a fine point and sweep a little bit under your lower lash line. Next up, you're going to take your dark color. You're going to put some on the tip of the brush, blow off the excess, and this one you're really going to stay in that crease area. So when you put your brush into your eye, you're going to feel the indent there. That's going to be right underneath your bone. And you're just going to go back and forth with that fine pointed brush and just create that effect. Always do a little bit and you can add more, but it would be too hard to obviously take off if you put too much on. Same for this side. You're going to find that crease and you're just going to windshield wiper back and forth with that fine tip brush. So do you see? You can add a little more, you can keep it light, depending how smoky you really want to go. Then with that same color, I put a little bit on my brush, blow off the excess, and then again come underneath my lower lash line to really smoke out that eye. You can also take a little bit of that black again and come right here on the outer crease, outer corner, and just add a little bit more. Then, since it has 3 colors in here, I usually like to use my ring finger, put a little bit of that white on, like so, and then just tap it onto my lid, just to really bring out those grays and black color. And then finally, take your favorite eyeliner pencil and just brush it into your top lash. Take a little bit of that pencil and go in my waterline. And last step, your favorite mascara. My personal favorite, the Extreme Curl.